right now if you're having an affair, and we will find some time later for me to kill you.
No, I'm just trying to have one night away from your snoring.
Came to the hotel to sleep?
I'm exhausted, and I didn't want to hurt your feelings
I am mad at you because you didn't say anything.
because I didn't want to get yelled at.
Well, too bad. When you're married to me, you're going to get yelled at many times. That's what I love about our marriage. We can say whatever we want, but the next day we're still there.
That's what I like about it, too.
There are things, Jay.
You ready to go?
It's such a shame that this hotel room is going to go to waste.
I like where this is headed.
Make me some pasta. I'll see you tomorrow morning, okay?